how to log in to Robinhood app. If you want to log in to the Robinhood application, it's very simple to do so. First of all, you launch the Robinhood app, and this is typically the interface that you'll be able to see. Normally, if you don't have an account, you can go to the sign up button and create a brand new account. But if you already have an account, then you can go to the login button from the bottom left. You can choose to actually enter your email and password manually, then tap the login button to log in. If you forgot your password, you can go to I need help and select forgot your password, and you can choose to reset it. But if you have your login information saved to your Google account or anything, you can also select those information and directly continue with your Google account. And if your details are correct, and it might ask you for a two-step verification, once you verify it, then you should be able to successfully log into your Robinhood app. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.